Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the power of Niagara Falls. Okay, so Niagara Falls, I'm watching Unstoppable Morgan, and she went to Niagara Falls, right? And she took a picture of herself naked with a flag wrapped around her. You can't hate this bitch, okay? You cannot hate this bitch because this bitch is funny. I love her. And she's very fun. She means well. She's very well intentioned. A lot of people hate on her. I don't. I think she's freaking funny. And you know, she's just crazy. Like it's like one of those things where you just want to be friends with this girl, but she does have a temper, and kind of a scary one. But you know, I mean, who's perfect? Nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect, you're not perfect, and if you say you're perfect, I don't believe you. It's not true. Only Jesus is perfect. Anywho, and then it's like, now I want to go to Niagara Falls. Now it's on my bucket list. Are you kidding me? Now I want to go to Niagara Falls. Anywho, so when I went coast to coast, I said, well, we're gonna be in Buffalo. Isn't Niagara Falls in Buffalo, New York? So my husband and I planned so that we will stop in Buffalo and just go visit Niagara Falls. It wasn't in the plan. Our plan was to just go straight from California to Massachusetts. No stopping, just keep going, because he had to go to work, and I needed somebody. I don't know why I needed somebody to drive with me, because it's really not that scary. I mean, I drove from Massachusetts to Ohio by myself, and there's really nothing scary about it. And so we decided, yeah, we're gonna go to Niagara Falls. And boy, I am not regretting that trip into Niagara Falls. Majestic. This is just to prove to us human beings that we have no power over this. We have no power over nature. Nature is God saying, I'm here, I'm powerful, I can do. If you just come to my side, like be on my team, you can be perfect. I mean, not perfect, but because he's the only one that's perfect. But just the fact that Niagara Falls was so powerful, majestic, and just booming. It's like a booming thing, like a booming force of nature that is just, it makes you want to cry. I mean, it's crazy. Just put it on your bucket list, because you really, really want to go to Niagara Falls just to see how powerful and strong our God is, and to be able to just experience that strength and the power of the water. It's crazy. I mean, you'll see Tesla too. You'll see I don't know why, but they have like a statue of Tesla. I really don't know what the big. I have to read up on Tesla, because I really don't know what his claim to fame is. I just know that Elon Musk named his car after him. So yeah, that was Niagara Falls, and I'll show you after this.